So, David, to start us off, tell us about the company's plans with their new cash flow.
Solid Fire are well now into production systems. They've had a very successful introduction. They focused on the cloud service marketplace, and they've entered that very successfully. The two things that they need cash for now are the development of more features, particularly if to take them into the enterprise space.
Hmm.
It's very much been tailored for that public cloud cloud service offerings. It now needs some of the features that enterprise people need. So they'll invest in that, and most important of all, invest in infrastructure to scale out their delivery, both in the US and internationally.
Solid Fire has also unveiled the SF9010, a huge, fast, all SSD storage platform that the company says is the largest and fastest in the market today. And according to the company, the SSD solution also costs less than disk. So can you fill in some of the details for us regarding that announcement and tell us why it's important?
Well, the announcement is, as you say, the SF9010. The single unit is around 10 terabytes of raw capacity and about 75,000 IOs per second. It can be put into up to 100 of these units can make up a total system. And that would be in the order of a petabyte of raw capacity, or about 3 petabytes, maybe a bit more, of nominal capacity. In other words, after you have compressed and deduplicated the data. So some workloads will have a better, some will have worse. So, and about 7.5 million IOPS for the total system. That's a very large number of IOPS and a very large number of petabytes in a very small space indeed, much lower, about 8 times lower than the amount that you'd require for a disk system.
So how would that compare then with traditional storage arrays?
Well, much smaller space, much less power, much more I/O, and that's the most important thing. And the cost comes down to the